Value of x is given -1 to us. Value of y is given -7 to us, and -3 is the value of z. Now 3x whole power 15 minus y plus z whole cube. Substitute -1 in place of x. Substitute -7 in place of z and -3 in place of z. Now we have -1 whole power 15. I have explained to you, if you have negative integer and power is odd number, then sign remains
Same.
negative, na? So it will be -1 only. -1 को जब आप 15 times multiply करोगे, as you know, if negative integer and power is odd, then sign remains negative. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
-3 is -10 whole power 3. So 3 into
Yes,
1
ma'am.
is 3 and minus sign as it is. Now we open this bracket, -10 को when you multiply 3 times, what will you get?
-1000.
Because
Yes,
negative integer, again power odd, and if negative integer power odd, then sign remains
Minus same.
minus only. Minus plus -3
Negative.
plus 1000. So what will be your answer?
1002.
997. You need to
Yes, ma'am.
subtract number, plus minus. So -3 plus 1000 is equal to positive
ma'am.
997. I hope it's clear to everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you still have a doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any other question from this exercise?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now exercise 4B. In exercise 4B, we have multiplication. First
Yes, ma'am.
question, B part. Just look at first question, B part. It is 4 raised to the power 7 into 4 whole power 5. It is given in question that multiply and write the product as 1 power. हमें क्या करना है? Multiply करना है और finally
Yes, ma'am.
answer जो है वो single power में form में answer हमें देना है. That means we need to give our answer in exponent form.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question is 4 raised to the power 7. I am explaining first question B part. First question B part is 4 whole power 7 into 4 whole power 5. Children, can you tell me if you have same base, then powers will add or subtract?
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, subtract.
Ma'am,
Same base in multiplication form.
Ma'am, when
Ma'am,
it is
subtract.
multiplication sign, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is
subtract.
add, when it is divide sign, ma'am, it's subtract.
Yes. So 4 whole power 12. You can
12.
also
Yes, ma'am.
write down. I am giving you some important formulas for this. When
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have a whole power x, suppose I am taking, and I am taking
Yes, ma'am.
a whole power y. You can write down when you have same base and different power, then powers will add. That means the formula will be a whole power x plus y. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Same base, powers different, then powers will add.
Ma'am,
And if suppose you, yes beta,
ma'am, the first question that you have first B part, ma'am, here you have written 4 power 5 plus 7. Ma'am, before that we can write on comparing both side.
beta,
Yes,
both
ma'am.
sides we don't have, so we don't need to compare. We simply add.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't need to compare anything, but write down these two formulas.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm explaining it again. If you have same base and different powers, then powers will
Yes, ma'am.
add. It will become
Yes,
a
ma'am.
whole power x plus y. If you have same base and powers different, but they are in division form. Here they are in multiplication form, but here they are in division form. Then it will be a whole power x minus y.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing. If you have a whole power x, b whole power x. Now let's look at the difference. A and b both are different, base
Yes, ma'am.
different, but power same. then
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can write it as a upon b whole power
Yes, ma'am.
x. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Whole power.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to write
Okay,
it
ma'am.
as, I'm repeating it again, as you have a whole power x, b whole power x. That means base is different but power is
Yes,
same.
ma'am.
Then you can write it as a upon b whole power x. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can write it as important points.
Yes, ma'am.
Important points में आपके formulas आ जाएगा. When you have the same base, different power, then powers will
Yes,
add.
ma'am.
When you have same
Yes,
base
ma'am.
but in division form, powers will subtract. When you have same base, sorry, different base, power same, then a upon b whole power x. I hope it's clear to
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more thing. If you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
any number, a means
Okay, ma'am.
any number. A can be 1000, 1000, 5000, but power 0, then answer always remains 1.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई भी नंबर, ये आपका इंटीजर है, a can be any integer. अगर कोई भी इंटीजर है a और इसकी पावर है 0, तो हमेशा आंसर कितना आएगा? 1.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ तक
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can copy down till here.
Ma'am, ma'am, please
Yes.
explain again.
I am explaining all the formulas again. First is a whole power x. Second
Yes,
is
ma'am.
listen. You have
What?
a base same, power
Yes, ma'am.
different. Then powers will add.
Yes, ma'am.
When you
Yes, ma'am.
have same base, power different, but they are in division form, then you need to
Yes, ma'am.
subtract. Then powers will subtract. Similarly, when you have different base like a raised to the power x, b raised to the power x, then as you can see, you have same base, sorry, different base, but same power. Same base तो क्या है? Different है. लेकिन powers क्या है बच्चों? Same है.
Same.
इसमें इसको क्या लिखते हैं? a upon b whole power x. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
तो मैम यहाँ पर मैम
आया।
n कैसे आया?
क्या बेटा?
मैम यहाँ पर मैम n कैसे आ गया मैम नीचे b के?
ये
मैम b
बेटा
की पावर
a upon b हमने एक सिंगल ब्रैकेट में कर दिया, वो whole power x हो गई.
ओके मैम.
a की पावर से सपोज 2 की पावर 3 है और नीचे 5 की पावर भी 3 है. इसको ऐसे समझो, सपोज आपके पास एक नंबर है 2 की पावर 3, 5 की पावर 3. 2 और 5 दोनों अलग अलग है लेकिन पावर सेम है.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
तो हम
Yes,
इसको
ma'am.
बेटा ऐसे लिखते हैं 2 upon 5 whole power 3. अब क्लियर है?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
सिमिलरली अगर a की पावर 0 है, यहाँ पर a क्या है? a कैन बी अ इंटीजर. a कोई भी इंटीजर हो सकता है. अगर a की पावर 0 है, अब ये a आपका कुछ भी हो, 5000, 7000, 8000, कुछ भी हो सकता है. कोई भी बिगेस्ट नंबर ले लो, कोई भी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ले लो. अगर इसकी पावर 0 है तो आंसर हमेशा क्या आएगा? 1. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
यस मैम.
Yes.
ma'am, please explain first H part and I part.
Okay, H part and I part. We'll start with H part only.
Okay, ma'am.
First question, H part. H part is, board is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, H part is minus 4 over 15 whole power 8 into
Yes, ma'am.
minus 4 over 15 whole power 5 into, yes,
Ma'am, this question is of which
beta, first
Yes, ma'am.
question, H part, exercise 4B.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise 4B, first question, H part. Fine. Now look at the question. Minus 4 upon 15 same है in all three cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means base same है. और आपको सबको पता है if base same and power different,
So power will add.
Very good. So finally answer is 8 plus 5 plus 9 बेटा कितना हो गया?
8 plus 9 plus
22.
5.
22.
Ma'am, 22.
Yes, ma'am. And 22.
Minus 4 upon 15 whole power 22. अब हम इसे ज्यादा नहीं सॉल्व करेंगे, बस थोड़ा सा करेंगे. ये बताओ, जो माइनस इंटीजर है और पावर इवन है, तो साइन क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव?
मैम पॉजिटिव.
I'm positive.
बस. So
Positive.
this till here only we will solve it. We will not open it 22 times. हम 4 की 22 times मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. बस हमने नेगेटिव साइन को एडजस्ट कर दिया, पावर्स को एडजस्ट कर दिया, बस. दिस इज योर आंसर. अगर यहाँ पे 2 या 3 होता तो हम इवेलुएट करते, पर हमें वो भी जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इन क्वेश्चन इट इज मेंशन दैट राइट योर आंसर इन पावर फॉर्म, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
इज दिस क्वेश्चन क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's
Yes,
always
ma'am.
better when you do the question,
I
na,
want
better
to
you
ask-
just copy down.
मैम
Yes.
मैम जी आपने मैम -4/15 में ब्रैकेट में करके मैम 22 किया, तो मैम माइनस का चिन्ह कैसे हट गया?
बेटा जब आपके पास नेगेटिव इंटीजर होता है और पावर इवन होती है तो साइन क्या आता है?
Plus.
पॉजिटिव ना.
Yes, ma'am.
और प्लस साइन को कभी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. अगर कोई साइन नहीं है तो अंडरस्टूड है कि
Yes,
साइन
ma'am.
क्या है? पॉजिटिव. हाँ, अगर प्लस साइन नहीं होता तो हम लिखते हैं.
ओके मैम.
क्लियर? Shall we start next? You are
Yes, ma'am.
asking I part also ना?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो,
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
doing I part now.
Okay, ma'am.
I part is p whole power 7, p whole power 8, 9 and 6.
9 and 6.
Again base same, and in multiplication powers will add.
Ma'am, p power 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus
p
6.
की power p is to the power 7 plus 8 9 plus 6.
7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 9 children
24.
24, 24
30.
30
is the answer.
30 is the answer.
30 is not the answer. P whole power 30 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it's clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to copy down, you can copy.
मैम
Okay, ma'am.
फर्स्ट की मैम इसी फॉर्मूला से होंगे.
Yes, beta. In all the questions, you need to use the same concept. Powers आपको देखनी है. अगर बेस सेम है तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. अगर बेस सेम है और डिवीजन में है तो पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. That's it. Now just look at question number 2. Okay, tell me which part should I explain in question number 2?
मैम जे.
Ma'am G.
G.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, G and J, both parts I'll explain. Do you want to copy down? Have you all copied this?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Take a screenshot or either take a screenshot or you can copy. Shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2. G part and J part I'll explain. G part is 3 upon 19 whole power 3.
Yes, ma'am.
3 upon 19 whole power 8 divided by 3 upon 19. अभी आपने ये वाला फॉर्मूला डिस्कस किया है ना बेटा? Here you have we have discussed if we have different same base but different power division form. देखो ये दोनों डिवीजन फॉर्म में है. We can take it as x. ये वाला
Yes,
फॉर्मूला
ma'am.
यूज होगा ना यहाँ पे. We can take it as a and we can again a same ना.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
please tell me. Ma'am, is there
Yes,
not
ma'am.
any power? So, ma'am, it will be 1.
8 minus.
Yes. If there is no power,
Yes, ma'am.
then we will take it as 1. If there is nothing, so we can assume it as 1. And just now we have learned this formula that if you have same base in division form, यहाँ पे भी तो बेटा division की
Yes,
बात
ma'am.
हो रही है, division sign you all can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, just look at here, division sign is there. Take 3/19 as a. अगर आप 2 मिनट के लिए इसको a की तरह ट्रीट करो तो ये यही तो लिखा हुआ है बेटा,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? If you
Yes,
assume
ma'am.
3/19 as a, then a की power 8 divided a की power 1. So we can write it as
Yes,
a
ma'am.
whole power 8 minus 1. इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a whole power 8 minus 1. That means 3/19 whole power 7 is your answer. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
These properties are very important. That's why I was telling you to note down, because all the questions are based on these only. This is the basic concept which we need to use. If you have same base in multiplication, powers will add. If you have same base in division, then powers will subtract. If you have different base, same power, then we can write it as whole power. And if you have 0 power, then the answer will be 1. Now the next part you were saying, J part. J part is minus x whole power 17 over minus x whole power 5. Same base but different power. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can see same base but different power.
Yes, ma'am.
We can write it as minus x 17 minus 5
Power. Yes.
Ma'am.
minus x 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 is even
Yes, ma'am.
number or odd number?
Ma'am, even.
What?
Even.
Even.
Ma'am,
Even. Then sign remains
Sign
positive or
positive.
negative?
Ma'am, positive.
ma'am, positive.
Answer would be x whole power 12.
X power 12. X.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
It's not
And
visible.
the board is not visible.
Ma'am, board is not visible.
Ma'am, board is visible.
Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes.
Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Do you want to copy down?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So remaining questions are also based on same concept. Just look at question number 3. Question number 3 is also same. Amol,
मैम
happen.
समझ में नहीं आया मैम समझ में नहीं आया
Raghav, where you
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
doubt?
Ma'am, no.
किसको doubt है बच्चे?
Ma'am, I am not having any doubt. I'm
Okay,
clear.
I thought you were asking. If you have a doubt, you can ask it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Just look at this. Minus x whole power 17 over minus x whole power 5. And I told you, whenever you have same base but different powers, so you can write it as minus x whole power 17 minus 5. Because just now we have explained, we have discussed that if you have same base but different power in division form, then you can write it in subtraction form. अगर कोई भी दो numbers आपके पास हैं, एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में लिखे हुए हैं, सेम बेस है, पावर डिफरेंट है और डिवीजन फॉर्म में है, तो हमेशा उसको क्या कर देते हैं, पावर्स क्या हो जाती है, माइनस में आ जाती है. ठीक है, अब समझ में आया इसका फिर?
Yes, ma'am.
होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू नाउ.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा, नाउ जस्ट लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फर्स्ट पार्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 3 first part is 3 whole power 4 whole power 2. If you have this kind of number, how will you write it as?
4 into 2.
Yes, 3 whole power 8.
3 whole power 4 into 2.
4 into 2. आपको क्या करना है, केवल पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Say all the parts are based on this concept only. Can anyone tell me what is the answer of H part? Third question, H part.
Ma'am N19.
Ma'am, x whole power 10
N19.
into 9.
Ma'am, n raised to the power 19.
Yes, means सबको clear हो गया. देवांश, देवांश, देवांश.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the answer of G part? Third question, G part.
Ma'am, t की power 16.
Very good.
x
T
की
whole
वैल्यू
power
यहाँ पर
16.
पुट कर दी है और उसके बाद सिंपलीफाई कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे पास
T whole power 16.
Very good. That means you all are able to understand this. ठीक है? Now just look at question number 4. Question number 4 में बेटा again you need to simplify. आपको simplify करना है. Same concept use होना है इस बार भी. इसमें आपको mention है xy whole square. Just look at first part of question number 4. Question number 4, A part is xy whole square. अब हम इसको ज्यादा तो solve कर नहीं सकते. जितना हम maximum simplify कर सकते हैं हम उतना करेंगे. So we can write it as
Power 2 is the answer.
X square into y square.
what about C part? देखो C part आपके पास क्या है? -2 x to the power 5 y to the power 2 and whole power 7. यही है. अब ध्यान से देखो हम क्या करेंगे बेटा. सबसे पहले -2 whole power 7 अलग कर लेते हैं. अब एक बात बताओ x की पावर कितनी हो जाएगी बेटा?
35.
Into
Ma'am,
yes,
35.
y to the power 14 ना.
14.
ठीक है. -2 whole power 7. Sign negative, positive?
Ma'am, positive. Negative. Negative.
Because negative integer odd number.
And ma'am,
अच्छा ये
positive.
बताओ 2 की पावर 7 कितना होगा? 2 into 2 4, 4 2 8, 8 2 16, 16 2 32, 32 2
64.
64 2 128.
128. 128.
X to the power
Ma'am, 35.
and y to the power. I hope it's clear.
14.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very simple now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am, please explain it again.
I'm explaining it again. You have -2 x whole power 5 y square whole power 7. So as we need to evaluate it, so first we'll write down like this: -2 whole power 7. We can break it now. X to the power 5 was given, so x to the power 5 into 7. Similarly, y to the power 2 into 7. We have written like this. Now, -2 whole power 7 becomes -128.
Yes, ma'am.
Because everyone knows negative को जब हम 7 times multiply करेंगे तो you will get 128. In the same way, x whole power 35 and y whole power 14. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I have doubt.
हाँ बोलो ब्रह्मी.
मैम ये मैम 2 को आपने मैम 7 बार किया तो मैम ऐसे तो मैम -120 देता है. लेकिन मैम आपने 5 7 से किया तो मैम 35 करना है ना.
Listen to me.